Consider we have some reviews and we want to clean the reviews to understand the right state. This we usually see with Python, but let us see today with SQL. So here I have some reviews, the review ID, the customer name, the review text and the rating that is given. So here I have the review, null, terrible to not buy, great product, will buy again, okay, not bad, not good. Bob is happy with the purchase, amazing product, again null, okay. We have empty reviews also, and we have good and bad reviews also. So inserting all this detail, and now we are going to see how do we clean it. So here first of all, wherever review is not there, it should not be included. Moreover, review text also should not be null. Not just spaces are to be given like this. So now how do I clean this? So first of all, I want to capitalize the first letter of each word and for the names, and that we just saw how can we do that using when we discussed how do we clean data earlier in the previous video. So here this can be done. How can we capitalize the first letter of each word? Moreover, now let us see how do we remove the special characters. So here in the text I want to replace if there is any dot with nothing, then if there is any comma with nothing, if there is any exclamation with nothing. So this has been done using multiple replaces. So replace the text dot with nothing. Now that goes as the input for the next replace, comma with nothing, and this becomes the next, the result of this replace becomes the argument to the next replace function, where exclamation will be replaced with nothing. After that, if there are any multiple spaces, those are just reduced to one space. If there are two spaces anywhere in the text, it is just reduced to one space. So any kind of multiple spaces. Now why am I doing this repeatedly? I am doing this repeatedly. So let us say if I have some 6-7 spaces together, so those two will become one, and then if I have, let's say, 4 together, then if I have another 2, those 2 will also be replaced with another one. If I have another 2, then those will also be replaced with 1. If review text is null, or trim of review text, that is, if the review text is not null, or if it does not have, then I just put no review. Else I will trim the review. And this becomes the review text final. So here, once I do this, so this was the clean review text. Now here, what is this clean review text? Is nothing but here, the clean review text is after I remove those multiple spaces. Review text is after I remove the comma and the exclamation marks. So this is cleaned review. Here, this is after removing multiple spaces, and these are the ratings. So in case if I just want to retain, let's say I want to retain wherever the review is null, and I wait 1 second. Let me also demonstrate. In case if review is, I just want to check if there is no review, replace it with no reviews. So here I get null and null, no review here. Similarly here, no review. So in this way, we can make sure that we include all the reviews, but here I would want to include a no review. So this is what again it can be done like this. So several functions can be put in together so that I get a clean review.